What's going on, guys? Zach Rocks here from Dirty Paws Off-road, and I got Aaron with me, unofficial member of Dirty Paws Off-road. He's been on the last few trips, though. Yeah. In fact, you've seen him in every video except for one now.
I'm allowed to be driving. I'm the cameraman usually.
Good cameraman.
Yeah.
We're heading out to Coyote Canyon for a Tundra event, which was supposed to be originally just a day trip, and now apparently we're going camping. So we're heading out. We'll be camping in Ocotillo Wells, Anza, Borrego area, and then tomorrow we're meeting up with the Tundra Forum to go do Coyote Canyon, which is only about a half hour away from our campsite. So come along for the ride. We'll see you guys out in the dirt. Camp. It is very windy out here, but everyone's still having a good time. Most people are already out here. Mike, Bre, Patrick, Dani from our main group. Oh, and Lance. Can't forget Lance. How could I forget Lance? Got a couple other friends out here as well. The rest of the Dirty Paws group is on vacation elsewhere. We'll just hang out and see you guys in the morning.
Hi, Zach.
Hello.
Got a dog over here. Hi.
I think I might get in trouble on YouTube if I call you a dog.
I authorized him to call me a dog.
Just that one spot. Okay, day 2, gonna be heading out to the Tundra meetup spot soon. Had a good night camping. Everyone seems pretty well rested, so let's get out there and get the day going.
What's up?
How you feeling?
John Cena.
You feeling John Cena?
I don't know. I'm feeling good.
Good.
What's up?
Aaron?
Huh?
How you feeling? Day 2?
Pretty swiggy, swaggy. What do you think?
Is that a generic check?
This is not. Mike, what are we doing today?
Coyote Canyon. We're wheeling, Zach. Is that what you want?
Isn't it great?
Some crazy adventure.
Made it to the meetup spot with the Tundra group, so now we're just waiting to head out. Everyone's kind of meeting, saying hi. Old friends are saying hello to each other. New people are meeting. Got a hefty group, maybe 15 trucks. I can't count. See you guys out in the dirt.
I hope you remember this moment when you're editing.
Plans. We're no longer doing Coyote Canyon. We thought a lot more new people were going to be coming out. I think we're doing something called Palo Verde to some canyon to Fish Creek to canyons in Nombre. It's a mix of trails. All right, we made our first stop here in Fish Creek Canyon. Yeah, Fish Creek. Really pretty out here. Just having some lunch, and then we'll get back to it. Diablo drop off is next, and then out Canyon San Nombre. How's the day going for you?
So far so good. I learned how to fully turn traction control off, finally, which has been awesome. In 2-wheel drive, that is. It was off in 4-wheel drive, but now it's off in 2-wheel drive. What are you looking at?
You're talking with your hand when I don't have it in the shot, so. Bre, how's the day going so far?
Amazing. Off-road, how could it not be amazing?
Such our star.
Such a star. Come on, keep going, keep on the gas. Keep on the gas. Keep it going, keep it going. Keep it going. Yeah! Wow! End of trip time.
Zach,
Yes.
I have the self-proclaimed title of the hottest 5100s on the planet right now.
I'm not touching those.
I wouldn't. Francis touched them earlier and they burned his fingers.
At the end of the trip, Mike,
Yes.
how was it for you?
I'm sad. F word awesome.
Had a good time?
Oh yeah. Dude, it's always a great time, and like, I came out here expecting to go on a trail ride teaching a bunch of, new people that didn't really know what they were doing. Like,
Which is okay.
yeah, totally cool. I literally came out here to do that, stoked for it, but it ended up being a bunch of people that knew what they were doing, and we did totally different stuff and had more challenge, and it was so much fun.
It was a good time.
Such a good time.
Moving on, next person. Bre, how was the trip?
Amazing. Can't go wrong out here, right?
You have a good time?
I had an amazing time.
Good. Is there anything else you want to say?
We just missed Luke and Megan.
It's true. They were here. And Dan.
And everyone else.
Yep, everybody couldn't make it.
Yeah.
Lance, recap. How was it?
Excellent. Had a blast. Whoever wasn't here missed out, for sure.
It was a good time.
Hell yeah.
I hope anybody can hear everything over this. How's the trip?
Oh gosh, not too bad. You should have really gotten up that one hill at the very end. I know you don't want to go back, do it yourself.
Yeah.
But it was a lot of fun still seeing everybody go for it.
Moose!
And it's fun wrangling dogs.
It's always fun to wrangle dogs. Right, Odin? Hey, Odin. Odin, how's the trip? Odin, how's the trip? All right. How's the trip?
I do things good.
Did you have a good time?
I had a good time.
You had a good time?
I had a good time.
Is that all you're gonna say?
Yes.
Dani, you can't run from the camera. How was the trip?
It was good.
Good time?
Yeah.
Why are you so scared of the camera?
I hate cameras.
Well, too bad.
I like it.
There we go.
I like being on that side of the camera, not this side.
Well, too bad. Really cool running into these two people out here. Good time wheeling with you boys?
Yeah, dude, that was fun.
It was a good time.
Thanks, man.
Nice meeting you again.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, we gotta do this again soon. So all in all, good trip. We're packing up, getting ready to head out. Met a lot of cool people on this trip. Gonna be some good times. There's Lance again. You know, down below, tell us about some times you've been out on just a random wheeling trip and met some new people. It's always a good time. That's what this is about. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to stay up to date with what we do, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell if you want to be notified. And always remember to keep your paws dirty.